Yes, welcome back to the Stratosphere. Just a little routine maintenance, namely topping up the oil. Yeah, that's that done. I know, it's been a while. What have I been up to? Well, to be honest, very little of anything. It's simply been too hot. Yes, we've hit triple digits for several weeks in a row. And I have to confess, I'm just too chicken to take it out and try the AC because I'm just worried that it's going to shred all the belts again. I mean, I know I said Michael is convinced it won't. I just haven't tried it. So it's been sat here collecting dust because I didn't put the cover on just in case I got the inkling to take it out. I nearly went to a Cars and Coffee here in Sedona the other day, but by the time I kind of got everything ready it was too late, so I didn't. On the subject of AC though, I did go for a drive with my mate David in his Lancia Integrale Evo 1, in which he has just recommissioned the air conditioning, and it kind of worked. Kinda. Obviously it's 1990s European AC and not very good, really. I'm quite sure it'll be equally inadequate in this, especially with the vents involved. The fan itself pumping the cool air was inadequate, to say the least, but better than nothing, so I really should give mine a go, and I will soon, promise. So, no driving clips, no news on my Stratos whatsoever, but in other Stratos news, it's all quite exciting. Yes, my friend Angelo in Italy has taken a U-turn. No, he's still getting his Lister Bell, but instead of going black, he's going white. Looks quite cool. They look good in white. That one that sold recently on Cars and Bids was white indeed, and fetched a pretty penny. And talking of sales, my channel is responsible for the sale of an acquaintance of mine in Washington, and his Stratos, which looks very similar to the way mine was originally. Corky, another Brit, has successfully sold that Lancia Stratos Replica to a viewer on my channel who approached me and said, did I know of any for sale? And I said, well, I just happened to, yeah. So there it is, being packed up, ready for its coast-to-coast journey, and congratulations to Frank. I hope by now you've received it safely. If you have, please leave comments down below, and good luck with finishing that build. I don't think there's much to do, apart from definitely replacing that horrible wooden dashboard. Sorry, Corky, but wooden dashboard? Nah. Actually, the new owner, Frank, had already reached out to me and said, you got a couple of spare aluminum dashboards, haven't you? Might be interested. If you're watching, Frank, as well as those, because I know maybe the switches are wrong, whatever, IDR still has that as a CAD drawing, so if you wanted to spec up yours with whatever size switches you're going to be using, they can always rattle one off fairly quickly for you, so do get in touch. Do get in touch anyway. I'd love to know how excited you are and what you've been up to with it. So while I'm droning on, let's talk about drones. Yes, I've kept mentioning that my buddy Matt will be helping us do some drone footage of the Stratos, and that's due to happen in about September. So if you haven't already, subscribe down here somewhere and check out that when it comes around. In the meantime, I did put together some clips of previous driving and jazzed it up with a bit of music. It's only a minute long, so I'll let you see it. It's really for a promo video for the channel, I guess, but it would be rude not to show you guys. Hope you enjoy. Well, there you go. I told you it was short and sweet, as is this episode, which has come to a finale. So if you're still watching, then give it a thumbs up, yeah. And if you haven't already, subscribe down here somewhere. There's tons of videos on this Stratos. So check out the playlist and, of course, encourage others to watch my lunacy.